How does one make their old socks into fashionable hand puppets? Transforming your old socks into hand puppets is more than just a creative adventure. It's a chance to embrace sustainability with a dash of artistic flair. Whether it's for a rainy day activity, a classroom project, or simply a fun weekend craft, turning forgotten footwear into unique characters offers a delightful way to reuse materials. Just imagine the joy of breathing new life into your sock drawer by crafting whimsical creatures that can entertain, teach, or simply bring a smile to someone's face. Through a few simple steps and common household materials, you can create puppets that aren't just playful. They're fashionably timeless too. Ready to turn those socks into stars of an impromptu puppet theater? Let's get started on this crafty journey. Gathering materials, creating a fashionable hand puppet from an old sock is like breathing new life into something forgotten. It's a fun and creative way to recycle and engage your imagination. The first step in this delightful transformation is gathering the right materials. Whether you want a simple puppet or one bursting with personality, having the right supplies will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's dive into what you'll need. Essential materials to craft a basic yet delightful sock puppet. You'll need a few essential materials. These items will form the backbone of your puppet, turning an ordinary sock into a lively character. 1. Old socks, the main star of the show. 1. Make sure they are clean and free from holes. 2. Fabric scissors, sharp and ready to help you cut with precision. 3. Glue. Whether it's craft glue or a glue gun, something to ensure everything sticks together. 4. Googly eyes. These will give your puppet a lovable and quirky expression. 5. Markers, for adding features like a smile, freckles, or even eyebrows. With these essentials, you're all set to start creating. Each of these materials serves as the building block for your puppet's character, letting your imagination run wild. Optional materials. Want to add some flair and uniqueness? Consider throwing in some optional materials. These can elevate your puppet from simple to spectacular, giving it a personality all its own. 1. Yarn. Use it for hair, mustaches, or even tails. 2. Felt. Perfect for creating a colorful tongue or vibrant clothing. 3. Sequins. Add a touch of sparkle and shine for a more glamorous look. These optional materials can transform your basic puppet into something extraordinary. Think of them as the spices in your puppet-making recipe, each adding flavor and flair to your creative dish. Armed with these materials, you're well on your way to breathing life into your old socks, transforming them into playful and fashionable puppets. So gather your supplies and get ready to unleash your creativity. Creating the sock puppet. Transforming an old sock into a puppet isn't just a craft. It's a delightful blend of creativity and nostalgia. This simple project breathes life into unused socks, turning them into animated characters that can entertain. The process is engaging, allowing for boundless creativity. Here's how to get started. Preparing the sock. Begin by selecting a sock that's ready for transformation. Soft, worn socks are perfect since they're already comfortable and easy to work with. When preparing your sock, 1. Choose the right sock. It should be long enough to cover your forearm, providing ample space for designing. 2. Cut the toe section. With scissors, carefully cut across the toe section. 2. This creates an opening for the puppet's mouth, setting the stage for its expressiveness. By preparing the sock this way, you lay the groundwork for a puppet that's lively and full of character. Adding facial features. Facial features bring your sock puppet to life, allowing you to express emotions and personality. Personalize with ease. 1. Googly eyes. Attach large or small googly eyes near the toe opening. 1. The eyes can be glued on for a permanent fixture or stuck with sticky tape for adjustability. 2. Craft the mouth. The mouth can be drawn with fabric markers or made using red felt. 2. Glue the felt inside the cut toe area to mimic a tongue or draw outside to shape lips. Adding these features is where the magic happens, giving your puppet its unique voice and personality. Decorating the puppet. Once you have a face, it's time to adorn your puppet with colorful flair. Let your creativity flow. 1. Yarn hair. Using yarn, create hair by cutting strands and gluing them onto the sock's top. 1. Mix colors for a playful look or keep it monochrome for something classic. 2. Fabric scraps. Old fabric scraps can be cut into patterns and glued onto the sock as shirts, hats, or accessories. 2. It's a great way to upcycle material. 3. Marker designs. Use markers to draw tattoos, spots, or stripes. 3. This adds layers to your puppet's character. Decorating the puppet allows for endless possibilities. Every puppet becomes an original character with a story to tell. Turning old socks into sock puppets is not just a craft but an adventure in imagination. It's a project that inspires creativity and sparks joy, becoming a favorite pastime for everyone involved. With these guidelines, your puppet will be ready to bring smiles and tell stories, all while recycling and reusing materials from home. Performing with your sock puppet, stepping into the imaginative world of sock puppetry is like opening the door to a magical theater where anything is possible. Your hand becomes the stage, and with a little creativity, your sock puppet can come to life with its own unique personality. Whether in a cozy living room or a bustling classroom, performing with sock puppets adds a sprinkle of joy and creativity to storytelling. Let's explore how you can transform your sock puppet into the star of the show. Creating a character. Imagine your puppet as a blank slate, ready to become a new friend with a personality all its own. What kind of character will it be? Think of traits like being silly, serious, or adventurous. Maybe it loves ice cream or fears thunderstorms. Here are some ideas to spark your creativity. 1. Personality traits. Is your puppet loud and talkative or shy and whispery? 1. Personality traits are what make a character memorable. 2. Backstory. What was its life like before joining your puppet theater? 2. Maybe it traveled the world or always dreamed of being a movie star. 3. Likes and dislikes. What does your puppet love to do in its downtime? 3. Hobbies can add depth and interest to your character. By thinking about these elements, you can give your puppet a rich personality that will capture your audience's imagination. Remember, every quirk and feature adds another color to the canvas of your puppet's personality. Puppet shows and storytelling. Once your puppet has a character, it's time to put on a show. Whether you're staging a grand play in the living room or a cozy storytelling session in a classroom, there are many ways to let your puppet shine. Here are some tips. 1. Set the scene. Create a simple set using everyday items. 1. A box can be a stage, and a curtain made from a sheet can add a theatrical touch. 2. Script or improv. Will the story have a script, or will it be an improv performance? 2. Scripts can keep things organized, while improv encourages creativity on the fly. 3. Engage the audience. Encourage your audience to participate by asking questions or helping with sound effects. 3. Interaction keeps the story dynamic and exciting. 4. Practice makes perfect. Rehearse your story to get comfortable with the flow. 4. Knowing your lines will help you focus on the performance. With these tools at your disposal, your sock puppet can become the star of a delightful puppet show that entertains and inspires. Every performance is a new adventure waiting to unfold, and your puppet is ready to take center stage. Benefits of crafting with old socks. Crafting with old socks is not just a fun activity. It's a creative, eco-friendly pursuit with numerous benefits. Transforming those worn-out socks into delightful hand puppets can spark imagination, reduce waste, and provide educational value. Let's explore the key benefits of engaging in this whimsical art. Encouraging creativity in children. Children have a natural curiosity and a boundless imagination, and crafting is like a playground for their creative minds. By using old socks to create hand puppets, kids can explore their own storytelling abilities and develop unique characters with every twist and stitch. Imagine a world where an odd sock becomes a lively creature or a superhero with magical powers. 1. Storytelling skills. Children come up with tales and adventures for their sock puppets, building language and narrative skills. 2. Artistic expression. Decorating the socks with buttons, yarn, and markers allows kids to express themselves artistically. 3. Problem solving. Figuring out how to make a puppet move or give it personality can enhance critical thinking. This activity not only encourages creativity but also fosters skills that can be useful throughout their lives. Providing your child with a simple sock can unleash an array of imaginative worlds where they can be anyone or anything they desire. Promoting sustainability in this age of environmental consciousness, reusing materials is a great way to contribute to a healthier planet. Old socks, instead of being tossed into the trash, can be repurposed into crafty hand puppets, embodying the principles of sustainability and conservation. 1. Reduced waste. By turning socks into puppets, fewer materials end up in landfills, helping to minimize environmental impact. 2. Learning about recycling. Kids and adults alike learn the importance of recycling and reusing everyday items. 3. Inspiration for other projects. Once you start with socks, you might find yourself repurposing other household items, inspiring a more sustainable lifestyle. Think of it this way: each sock transformed is a small step towards a world that's kinder to our planet. Encouraging children to see the value in repurposing can plant the seeds of environmental stewardship that will grow throughout their lives. Conclusion: crafting fashionable hand puppets from old socks is a joyful project that brings together creativity, fun, and sustainability. Through the simple act of repurposing socks, anyone can transform forgotten garments into delightful characters that spark imagination. This creative endeavor not only provides an artistic outlet but also serves as a unique bonding experience with family or friends. Let your imagination run wild with colors, fabrics, and embellishments to create unique puppets. Whether you're entertaining kids or finding a personal creative escape, sock puppets offer a canvas as diverse as your imagination allows. We invite you to share your colorful creations and stories, spreading joy and inspiring others to see the potential in everyday objects. As you explore this playful art form, think about how you can further contribute to a more sustainable and imaginative world. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey. Share your sock puppet masterpieces and connect with fellow creators on social media. Your creativity can inspire others to take their own imaginative leaps,